Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today wifey is not feeling well. She has been spotting from last week Thursday, and we went to the doctor on Monday, got a referral to do a ultrasound. Went to the ultrasound office, did the ultrasound, but the thing is that the ultrasound was supposed to be returned the same day. It was supposed to, we did it on Monday and it's supposed to return back to the doctor on Monday. When we do the ultrasound, the persons, they never tell us that the ultrasound is gonna take 2 days for us to get it. And they know the situation based on what the doctor said. Because she's pregnant and she's bleeding. So you know that the ultrasound is needed for the doctor to determine the severity of the situation. And I cannot believe, when we went to the office to do the ultrasound, the technician asked us about the bleeding situation and how long. And we did explain to her the bleeding situation and how long it's been happening, with the intention that they're going to give us the ultrasound the same day so we can take it back to the doctor. Lo and behold, after everything is finished and we came out of the office, I was told that the ultrasound is going to take 2 days for us to get it back, right? And on top of that, I was also told the ultrasound is for $8,000, right? And when the technician is finished doing the ultrasound, and I went out to the front desk, the person at the front desk received a call from the technician telling her to charge me $2,000 more. So I asked, what's the $2,000 more for? So she explained to me that the $2,000 more is extra for the ultrasound, because it's mom and baby ultrasound they did. So I'm thinking to myself, mom and baby ultrasound? What the heck are they talking about, mom and baby? So the baby in her mother belly. So we never know you can do 2 ultrasound. I'm still wondering how does that work. So if anybody out there understand what this mom and baby ultrasound thing is all about, because I thought when the ultrasound is being done, it's for the mother and child are covered under one thing. We don't say you can ultrasound the mother different from the baby. I'm a little confused. But anyway, 2 days. And right now, wifey have to be at the doctor again because the bleeding starts to get even heavier. From last night, she's been bleeding way heavier. So we have to go back to the doctor, and then the doctor is going to do an ultrasound at his office for us to see how serious the situation is, if it's an infection or what it is, so that he can send us straight to the hospital depending on the situation. So guys, I know I said I will document the journey for you guys to see, but you know how it is sometimes. It's very hectic with wifey not being well, and you know I have to be doing all the jump around and the run up and down. So my duty today, guys, is picking up the kids from school. So I have pickup duty today, guys. As you can see, just pick up Justin and Jordan from school. Make sure you're buckled in a Jordan. Yeah, guys. So as I was saying about the ultrasound, wife is at the doctor right now. So the doctor is going to do a different. Let his technician do the ultrasound for us so he can see how serious the situation is. So you can either send us to the hospital or see if you know it's something that requires some form of medication. So I'll let you guys know what's happening as we go along. Because right now I'm a bit lost, I would say. Not knowing what's happening and notice that the bleeding is heavier and heavier, so yeah. I'll just ask for some prayers how I feel. As you guys, you know, we could really do with some right now. But otherwise from that, guys, the family is doing alright. You know. Otherwise from the weird craving the wife you have. Man, she eats some weird things, that's all I can tell you. Gentlemen out there, ladies, I am lost for words sometimes. The weird things that pregnant ladies eat, it is unbelievable. Alright guys, so right now I am in Spallins. I'm picking up my daughter from school. She's attending Knox. Oh, there's Miss Sania. So Jessica must be here. Is that Miss Sania?
Miss Sania has the daughter.
That's Miss Sania. That's Jessica's best friend. The elderly lady.
Hi, Miss Sania. Hi, Miss Sania.
I don't see her, no, I don't know if she's close.
Alright, thanks, Miss Sania.
Hi, Miss Sania. Hi, Miss Sania.
Yeah, baby.
Can you just look for Jessica? I want to come too. Daddy can't be alone. Not me, just because you are.
Is that okay? Where?
I'm not staying.
Where?
You're staying. You're staying. You're staying.
Speak up now, Justin. You see her, Justin? Look and see if I see. If I see.
Can I come with that, Justin?
No, baby. Justin.
I want to go with
Justin is going to just look right there. Just hold on.
Oh, just look both ways. But he's going in the field.